Welcome to our tutorial on how to search by language on Twitter using your PC. Let's dive into the simple steps to help you find tweets in your preferred language. First, head to the Twitter homepage and locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in any keyword or topic you'd like to search for. Once you hit enter, the primary results page will display popular tweets from various users. To refine your search by language, look to the left side of the page and click on Show next to the Search Filters menu. Within the search filters, click on All Languages to access a drop-down menu of available languages. Choose the specific language you want to filter your search results by. By following these steps, you can easily narrow down your Twitter search results to tweets in a particular language, making it more convenient to find relevant content tailored to your preferences. Start exploring Twitter in your desired language today by using this quick and effective search method on your PC. Enhance your Twitter experience by customizing your search results and engaging with content that matters most to you.